Hey everyone, it's major bonus time here on Wolf Run Eclipse. 8 free games with 3 wild reels. Here we go. Remember, if you like the content, please like and subscribe. Oh, come on. We want those wilds towards the front. Come on. No, stay out of there, bonuses. You're going to block us. All right, 6 games left. There we go, there we go. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, give us 3 wild reels right at the front. 4 games to go. Two left. All right, here comes the last spin. All right, that's okay. Good total though, $66.55 on an 80-cent bet. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.